Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. New filming setup. Hopefully this looks good, filming everything on my iPhone right now. And today guys, I thought I would bring you a brief sort of mini condensed review of my thoughts on the Beats Studio Pros that came out earlier this year, a couple of months ago. Well, earlier last year because that was 2023, it's now 2024, Happy New Year. So in this video, I just wanted to give you my brief first impressions after using these headphones for probably a little over a week. I guess I'm going to hit on sort of build quality, sound quality, comfort, versatility, and that sort of thing. I'm going to keep this very straightforward and to the point. So without further ado, let's hop right into it. I guess the first thing I kind of want to touch on with these headphones is overall construction, build quality, that sort of thing. Like how do they feel when actually listening to music? Because they did say, Beats said that they upgraded the cushions this year in the Beats Studios compared to the Beats Studio 3s, and I can actually definitely tell that. I think, I haven't used the Studio 3s, but I can tell right off the bat, these cushions are extremely soft. Probably some of the softest cushions I've ever felt actually in headphones. These are probably in line with like the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones or series. It's sort of that same sort of soft, like leather-like material. So ear cups, feels exactly the same. It's a little bit shallow, actually, and a lot of you tech reviewers will actually say that. It's a little bit shallow in the ear cup. That's fine. I don't have like massive ears or anything, so it doesn't bother me. But if you have giant ears, maybe that's going to be sort of a problem. One other thing I noticed is they say like fingerprints can pop up easily on the dark colored models, and that's like true for the most part, but at the end of the day, it's like, do you really care? Personally, like they go away after a little bit, you just have to wipe it off, so it's not really a big deal. It doesn't show up too easily. It's only like you can only really see it if you're in like harsh light like I'm in right now. But the one thing I want to talk about, and also the headband adjuster, this is metal. I think it's metal. They removed the Beats branding on there too, but it's also very secure, so it's not like going to be changing settings easily on you. And they also removed the logo at the top. So the one thing I want to touch on is the top headband. It's there, it exists. However, I'm not a big fan of it. This is one thing I really wish they would improve on, because I noticed like after probably 30 minutes to an hour of listening to music, the top of my head starts to hurt a little bit, just because the padding here is not overly thick, as you can see. It's there and it wraps around this whole headband, but it's just not soft enough and it's not thick enough on my head at least. So comment down below if you guys think the same thing. But other than the headband problem, I think the comfort's fine. It's a snug fit on your ears like this. So these are actually great for working out in the gym. I've noticed, like gym, obviously you're moving around and stuff. These are very, I wouldn't say like extremely tight fit, but it's a tight enough fit that you're not going to be worried about them falling off at the gym. You want a secure fit of, if you're going to be wearing over your headphones at the gym, you want a somewhat snug fit. I'll say that. So other I/O on here, we have USB Type-C for lossless audio. We also have a 3.5 jack, which is good. So good versatility there. We have a power button and also equalizer button. One thing I've noticed is it's kind of annoying that these don't have an auto like off feature. I'll be like listening to music, fold them up like this, walk into the other room and realize, oh no, the audio's still playing through my Beats. Like you actually have to manually turn it on and off every time you use them. It's kind of getting annoying having to remember that. And also the power button here is not the easiest to find when you actually have the headphones on. I find I have to take them off and really look for where that button is because it's so small and it's not easy to find. So just keep that in mind. Controls are pretty good. I heard people like complaining that like the buttons sound cheap. I mean, they do, but like who cares? Volume up, down I've been using, and then like double tap for next track, triple tap for previous track. That's overall like my thoughts on the hardware. And if we're gonna talk about sound quality, I'll keep this very simple and to the point because I am not an audiophile by no means, but I can share my opinion if it means anything to the people watching this video. It's bass heavy, but it's not as bass heavy as previous Beats that I've listened to in the past. I haven't listened to too much audio from Beats in the past, like here and there, but I'd say the audio is it's very solid, and it has good spatial audio as well. Even if you don't even have that on in the iPhone, so good stereo sound. You really feel immersed when listening to it. Highs and mids are fine, but the low end is the thing that really shines with these headphones, and it's not overbearing either, and it's not an artificial bass. It's not like muddy. It sounds pretty good. So it's not. I'd say the audio quality is really good, but don't expect the same audio quality as like Sony's or Bose headphones. It comes close to those, but it's not at those. It's not at that tier, if that makes sense. So just kind of scale your expectations accordingly when considering this headphone. I'd say if you want these, if you're actually considering these, one, I'd get them on sale. I don't think these are worth $350. I got these for half off. And I don't know if they're still running that sale or not. But if you want these, the target demographic for these headphones are, one, people who have, actually it doesn't even matter because they work with iPhone and Android and have like quick pair on both. But you do get some cool settings in the iPhone when it comes to like noise cancellation, spatial audio, head tracking, that sort of thing. So I guess it doesn't really matter what phone you have, because you can also have that with Android. I'd say they're great gym headphones. If you're looking for a good gym headphone, or just a headphone to like wear around the house or something like that, and these are perfectly fine for that. And I also touch on the noise cancellation a little bit. It's really good. I wouldn't say it's like Sony level quality, but it's really good. When I wore these at the gym and they're blasting music at my gym, I couldn't hear it too much. Like I could only really hear the audio coming from my headphones. Is it the same as the Sony's? No, it's not. It's not that good, or compared to that, relatively speaking, it's not that good. But I think it's good for the money. This is the best way I can describe these headphones is like jack of all trades, master of none. And also the mic quality is pretty good. I had a couple phone calls with this, and the other person said they could hear me just fine. So mics are good, noise cancellation's good, build quality's good, comfort's good, sound quality's good. So everything's good. Nothing really just stands out in my opinion. So I'd say these are, based on that description, these are like the perfect or most ideal gym headphones for all you gym goers out there. So that's going to be my thoughts on the Beats Studio Pros, guys, in 2024, which is kind of weird to say. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Help support the channel. Love you guys to death. And comment down below your thoughts on these headphones if you think they're worth it or not. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Tech with Scott. Bye, everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.